Hello, good day. I am Matthew Apostol. I am 19 years old. I am from the province of Zamboanga, Sibugay. SK, abolish or reform? I believe the SK should be reformed. It is because of the following reasons. First, the SK is the only representation of the youth in the government. Based on the 1987 Philippine Constitution, only people who are 25 years old and above can run as government official. But the Local Government Code of 1991 states that even the youth ages 16 to 18 can hold a government position as youth councilors. At this young age, the youth can be involved in government affairs and they are aware of what is going on in the society. Second, the SK is a training ground for the youth in becoming the future leaders of our society and country. The SK does not only involve the youth in government affairs but also an avenue for them to exercise their leadership, express themselves, and become a good citizen of the country, whereas they are the hope of our nation that will replace our leaders today. The SK alone is good. It is the corruption and anomalies that is making it bad. Reforming it does not only change the system of governance, but will also change the perspective of the youth to become a better leader. And third, the SK can encourage and cater the needs of the youth like sports clinic and recreation activities. These activities unleash the potential of the youth, their talents and skills. This way, they are not tempted to be involved in crime, syndicate, and become a menace to society. That is why the SK should be reformed since it can benefit the youth and the future generation to come. Thank you.